Welcome to ABC Spotlight. Come on, kids, let's learn something new today.
Asparagus, A for asparagus. B for broccoli. C carrot. C for carrot. D daikon. D for daikon. E eggplant. E for eggplant. F fennel. F for fennel. G garlic. G for garlic. H hot pepper. Iceberg lettuce. I for iceberg lettuce. J jalapeno. J for jalapeno. K for cable. L for leaf. Mushroom. M for mushroom. N Napa cabbage. N for Napa cabbage. O onion. O for onion. P pumpkin. P for pumpkin. Q quinoa. Q for quinoa. R radish. R for radish. S for spinach. S for spinach. T tomato. T for tomato. T for tomato. Oogly root. U for oogly root. V vegetable marrow. W watercress. W for watercress. X sockanostle. X for sockanostle. Yam. O for yam. Yam. Z zucchini. Z for zucchini.
Thank you for watching. If you had fun, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. See you again on ABC Spotlight.